So let's now talk about the content creation process. So in every publishing house or creative agency, teamwork on article or a blogs and report it happens every day. So Gautam, what are some of the features in Writer that really helps to streamline content creation?
Well, that's a great question, Vignesh. Writer provides everything as a content creator needs. So they can structure their work neatly. So they can use headings, subheadings, numbered lists, and styles to make the document organized and visually consistent. For long pieces like reports, you can automatically generate a table of contents and navigate easily through sections using the outline view. And of course, Zia, our built-in as AI assistant, can help you draft ideas, summarize sections, or rephrase any content right inside the editor.
That sounds like a complete writing setup, Gautam. So to make this more relatable, let's take a real scenario. So imagine a content team preparing a digital publishing guide. They start with a base draft using AI suggestions, apply headings and styles for structure, and a table of content for easy navigation. So once the document is well organized, they're ready to move into collaboration and editing. So
Definitely, Vicky, I get that. So let's have a quick look at it. So here is the Writer homepage where you can see all the documents available. And from here, you can just click on the Create New button and go to Document using AI. So this is one of the recent features that we have released. So using AI, you'll be able to completely create a document from scratch. So you'll not be requiring any manual effort for that. So all you have to do is just enter a prompt and then create the document. So I have a prompt that I have chosen. So in this case, let me just copy it and paste it here. So this is the prompt. So I just want a document. So regarding the title, creating content easily using Zoho Writer. And I want the document to have informations like introduction, drafting, organizing, refining, workflows, and some key highlights. So I have made sure that these are added in bullets, and I've also included some tables for it as well. So now let me just go ahead and generate this document. And in this process, you'll have three different options. So you'll have modern, casual, and professional. So using that, based on your preference, you can choose any one of the preferred output and just go ahead and create a document with a single click. So once the document is created, all you have to do is just make some minor changes according to your organization and then go ahead and publish it as a template so that it can be used by anyone across your team. So yes, the professional one is now ready, and the modern, and let's wait for the other one as well. Yes, so all the three are ready. So all I have to do is just preview the document, check if the contents that I require is available, and then go ahead and use this document. And here you'll also have an option to regenerate so that you can furthermore refine the response that you have got. So now I'm just going to go ahead with use this document. So now with a single prompt, I'll be able to create a document with various structures like headings and pointers and also tables if I require. So now similarly, I have created another document in which we'll have the session on how to generate table of contents. So let me quickly show you how to check for the contents. So here what I've done is I've added headings. So I have selected heading 1 for the number of headings that I have. So here you can see for drafting, organizing, and all these are assigned with heading 1. So now what I have to do is I just have to go to the document and go to Insert tab from the left panel and click on Table of Contents. So here I'll have options to choose the number of levels that I need to display in the table of content. So if my requirement, let's say I have heading 2 and 3, I can just show 3 levels. So in this case I have only 1, so I'm just going to go with heading 1. And yeah, you can also even customize it, and if you want to show page numbers or anything, you can choose accordingly. And even in the design, we have various options for you. So one is classic, contemporary, modern, and formal. So these are some options that we have in the design. So I'm just going to go with the classic one. So now I'm just going to click on insert, and here you can see that all the headings in my document is available in the table of contents. So now all I have to do is just click on it and just go to the heading. So if I just go here, I'll be able to view the contents. So now let's just talk about some layouts. And when it comes to layouts, we have various layouts available. So you can use multiple column layouts within a document, and not only within the document, within certain sections. So let me show you how to insert a section in order to create a multiple column layout. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to the insert tab from the left panel and going to go to the break option. So here I'm inserting a section break continues. So if I want, I can insert it for the next page, but here I'm just going to make sure that within a page I want multiple layouts. So now I'm just inserting a section break. So now once that is done, I'm just going to go to the layout option and just go ahead and change the layout of this particular section. So for that I have to go to the page setup and click on 2 column layout. So now as you can see, yes, the 2 column layout is applied, but for conclusion I need only a single column layout. So for that, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to click on the cursor here and I'm going to insert another break so that my 2 column layout stays within a particular section. So yes, now I've inserted the break. So I'm going to go to the conclusion and then going to change the layout to single column. So now as you can see, I have added the multiple column layout in only for the key highlights, whereas the conclusion is still in a single column layout. So this can be checked by just placing your cursor here, and here if I place, you can see that there is the split between the columns. So not only 2, we also have multiple columns like 3 left or right column layouts. So you can use any one of these according to your preference. And also you can use various orientation like landscape, and we have different paper size as well. And next, when we talk about bullets, we also have bullets and number list. So we have different types of list. One would be paragraph list and the other one would be heading list. So based on your preference, you can go ahead and use any one of these. So let's just say I want to convert it as a numbers list. So it's currently in bullets. I'm just going to click on it, and even if I require, I'll have options like changing it into alphabetical numbers list or a number list according to my preference. So these are about the options available for you to create the document and then design them according to your preference and then go ahead and publish it. So now once the options are done, you can go ahead and publish the document by just clicking on file and clicking on save as template, and just use save as organization template so that this template can be used across your team and they'll be able to just create documents with a single click without needing to create the document from scratch. So that's how you'll be able to use Zoho Writer for creating the contents and for designing the document in a professional way.
That was a quick, very good, great demo, Gautam.